Here's the final plane. Close in there, nice and clean. Zippity shiny, shiny. It's a clean panel right there. Again, you can see Panther very line down there, all cleaned all the way down, everything uniform. But of course, it's about to be raining here shortly, so they'll get back wet. But all the dirt, all the pollen has been removed off of it. They're all clean, ready to go. So generate some. They're good for the next season, until the next season, I should say, next year. All right, allterrain.com. Visit us for your solar panel cleaning. We'd love to come out and assist you. Help you generate. You got to clean your energy.